This little video is a very good reason why I refuse to use large lithium batteries. It's one reason why I refuse to use large lithium batteries. The main reason I don't use them, I use them for small things like, my little drone and that kind of stuff, and rechargeable things, small things. Anything more than 12 volts or more, I won't use it. The main reason is that I do not want to be complicit in the genocide of entire nations. And that's what you are being if you're using big lithium batteries. It's a controlled resource, that's why they're exterminating entire populations. But another reason why I won't use the big ones is because apparently, this is for boats, houses, they only work if you have the internet access. If you don't go online and register it, they don't work. And if you want to do any sort of power modifications and monitoring through Wi-Fi, you're not doing it from your phone device to the system. You're doing it via their website, which is quite terrifying. For me, the whole point of using rechargeable things is to go off grid, so I'm not forced to connect to someone else, to something else. I'm off grid. If you've got to go through somebody's website before you can use your battery, you're not off grid. You are still at the control of someone else, something else. It's a lot like saying that all these NATO countries have nuclear weapons. They're a nuclear country. They're not. They cannot use their nuclear weapons unless they get permission from America, because all the infrastructure for using nuclear warheads, even if it's on a British boat, they can't turn it on unless America sends a signal to give them permission. And it's the same with these battery setups. Maybe there are some that are different. I don't know. But all the ones I've come across, aside from being really, really dodgy and breakable, is that you can't use it unless you have internet access. And unless they allow you to use it and force you to do updates, like all things this way orientated, is that you have to constantly update your information, your location, your details to them in America. That to me is not off-grid. My version of going off-grid is connection, contact with the outside world is voluntary, not compulsory.